Picture this. You're late, sprinting towards airport security, your heart pounding out of your chest. Suddenly, your belt screams through the metal detector, your chic boots trap your feet like quicksand, and your scarf is strangling your suitcase. Around you, irritated travelers glare, silently judging. Have you ever felt sabotaged by your own clothes at the worst possible moment? Stay tuned, because you're about to discover 7 hidden outfit mistakes you're probably making right now, and the simple secrets that'll save you from embarrassing airport disasters. Meet Alex, a frequent flyer whose impeccable style consistently leads her straight into embarrassing airport nightmares. Yet her trendy metal jackets, jangling jewelry, and heavy belts instantly transform airport security into a humiliating spectacle. Alarms blare, passengers openly groan, and Alex suffers through an excruciating public pat-down. Psychological fact: embarrassment floods your brain with stress hormones, wrecking your mood and ruining the excitement of travel before it even starts. Here's the secret fix: minimal accessories, slip-on shoes, and hassle-free pants. But escaping security smoothly doesn't mean Alex's troubles are over. Another hidden pitfall awaits her on board. Moments later, Alex boards, already regretting her heavy layers as sweat beads on her forehead. Minutes into the flight, relentless air conditioning chills her to the bone, each icy blast a painful reminder of her regrettable choice. Here's the insider secret seasoned flyers swear by: airplane cabins are notoriously unpredictable. Psychologists confirm discomfort clouds your focus, sabotaging clear thinking. The antidote? Layers. Breathable tees, cozy hoodies, compact jackets. But just as Alex solves her temperature woes, another painful problem emerges, this one even more uncomfortable. Mid-flight, Alex's chic skinny jeans become an unbearable prison, squeezing tighter with every passing minute. Her discomfort escalates mercilessly, legs throbbing, stomach clenched, every second magnifying her torment. Did you know tight clothing over long flights doesn't just torture you? It can actually cause dangerous blood clots? To your brain, physical pain instantly becomes emotional stress. Expert travelers prioritize comfort: stretchy joggers, breathable fabrics, forgiving waistbands, even cozy compression socks. Yet even with comfort solved, Alex is about to discover another unexpected sabotage lurking right beneath her seat. Mid-flight, panic grips Alex. Her passport, earphones, and lip balm vanish, swallowed by the seat pocket abyss. Her sleek leggings look flawless but lack pockets, turning stylish into useless at 30,000 feet. Psychologists confirm tiny frustrations quickly snowball, gradually eroding your patience and draining your mental energy. Deep zippered jackets or stylish belt bags become your travel superheroes. Imagine smoothly retrieving essentials, completely organized, totally in control. Yet even organized travelers can stumble. Alex's next mistake is literally right at her feet. Remember Alex's fashionable yet impractical boots? Now airborne, Alex's swollen feet scream for release from their stylish leather restraints. Each restroom trip becomes a tiresome battle, wrestling boots off swollen feet, then forcing them painfully back on. Research proves foot pain directly spikes stress levels, turning comfort into crisis. Opt for slip-ons or sneakers that effortlessly glide on and off, removing friction, pain, and stress. But comfort alone isn't enough. Alex used to believe traveling meant choosing between elegance and ease, never both. Here's a neuroscience-backed secret. Your brain loves choices that offer both style and comfort without forcing compromise. Today's innovative travel fabrics secretly deliver unmatched comfort, all while keeping you impeccably professional. Picture Alex stepping confidently off her flight. Wrinkle-free stretch pants, a sleek knit blazer, minimal accessories, zero wrinkles, zero stress, maximum comfort. Yet there's still one travel pitfall left, something nearly all travelers unknowingly do: sabotaging their entire experience. We've all seen that passenger, suffocating under excessive clothing layers, 2 neck pillows, and enough gear to climb Everest. Psychology confirms anxiety-driven overpacking overwhelms your brain, draining joy and fueling unnecessary stress. Embrace confident minimalism. Pack smarter, lighter. Trusting your travel instincts frees precious mental bandwidth, reigniting your excitement and joy for the journey. With all mistakes uncovered, let's now see Alex's incredible transformation. Proof that mastering these secrets changes everything. Now picture Alex, calm, confident, effortlessly gliding through arrivals, completely in control. By mastering travel outfit decisions, you're converting potential stress into guaranteed comfort. Every journey transforms into a smoother, richer, and unforgettable experience. Ready for a stress-free adventure? Remember, style and comfort are not rivals. They're allies. Subscribe now to join a thriving community unlocking psychological travel secrets and insights guaranteed to elevate your journeys and reinvent the way you travel forever. Safe journeys, and see you in the next adventure.